Can you make him laugh a little more? Well, let's see. Who loves you?
Dad and Tyler and Nemo.
What about Grandma?
Grandma, yes, me.
Grandma loves you. Who else loves you?
Great Father can't fly.
You're silly. And who's in your heart?
Jesus.
Jesus?
Yeah.
Yeah. And did you get a haircut?
Yeah.
How does it look?
Awesome.
It looks awesome?
Yeah.
It does. Oh, it's Tyler laughing.
I'm throwing up.
You what?
I'm throwing up.
You threw up?
Yeah.
Yeah, how come you threw up?
Because I know you have to quesadilla.
You do like quesadilla. You just choked on it, huh?
I choked on it.
Hi, Tyler. Did Tyler get a haircut too?
Yeah.
How does he look?
Handsome.
He looks handsome. Who else is handsome? No, not yet. I gotta put on YouTube. Who else is handsome? Who do you guys look like?
Handsome.
Like Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great Father can fly.
Let me pause.